Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling NFC and opening the Wallet app. This allows the phone to communicate with terminals. Once done, update the app and complete any identity checks so tokenization can proceed. Next, add a card by scanning or typing details and follow the issuer's verification steps. This creates a secure token, not the raw card number. Make sure permissions for NFC, location, and background activity are granted so the app can present the card at checkout. You now configure card emulation and security. Choose the wallet as your default contactless payment app and set whether it works while locked. Once done, enable biometric unlock or a secure PIN to approve transactions because tokens require local auth for safety. Make sure tokenization settings and issuer options are correct. This is why some cards need extra steps. Then test with a small purchase or terminal check to confirm the reader sees the tokenized card. You finish by making a real payment. Wake the screen, unlock if required, and hold the phone near the terminal until you see confirmation. Do not move away too soon. Once payment is logged, review history in the app and remove or disable cards when they are lost or compromised. If a tap fails, try a single key troubleshooting tip. Toggle NFC off and on and restart the phone. If that doesn't help, remove any case, clear app cache, or contact the card issuer because token provisioning may need reissuing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.